What kind of media institution might distribute your media product and why? The North Star Group, which is based in New York, is most likely to publish my magazine as they already published The Source, an existing, well-known and successful hip-hop magazine. These magazines fit into my genre of music. Therefore, I feel my magazine will be successful with this publishing company as they have previous experience and background knowledge on how to sell hip-hop magazines. This is potentially beneficial for my magazine as the North Star Group already know what is successful for my magazine and what the target audience want from my magazine. They also know what appeals to my target audience from past experiences as they are a publishing company with a good reputation that have the same fan base as my magazine. Moreover, this company is American, which allows me to have a larger target audience due to the US having a larger population. Furthermore, as the majority of the artists featured in my magazine are American, it is more likely that the residents of the US are familiar with these hip-hop artists. Not only will my magazine be published in the USA, but it will also be published in the UK, as there is a growing interest in hip-hop culture and music. Another publishing company that I believe will be interested in my hip-hop magazine is the well-known Bauer Music Group. This company publishes over 300 magazines in 15 different countries, including well-known music magazines such as Kerrang and Mojo. I believe my magazine will benefit from this publishing company as they already have a large background knowledge on publishing magazines aimed at all different age groups. Furthermore, as this company is well known for its professional and high quality magazine, it will help ensure my target readers that they are receiving a magazine of a high standard. My magazine will get distributed in 3 ways: digitally, manually and through the use of a QR code. My magazine will be available in a paper version which will be manually distributed to readers through the use of selling it in shops or posting it out to subscribers. The QR code is placed on the front cover of my magazine. When scanned, it will direct the reader straight to my digital content, which is my magazine's website, underground.com. This could also act as a unique selling point too for my magazine in order to potentially increase my sales compared to other hip-hop magazines in the market. I believe the use of a QR code is ideal for my magazine as my primary audience consists of young people. By having an audience of young people, it is likely they will own smartphones and be familiar with these QR codes, meaning they can interact with the magazine through the use of this code. I would also use music download sites such as iTunes to distribute my magazine for those who wish to receive it digitally. By using this download site to distribute my magazine, it will make it more ideal for readers as they will be able to receive the monthly issue on portable platforms such as their iPhone, iPod or iPad, which means the magazine can be read whenever they wish to read it due to having it digitally with them. This means my magazine is available on a variety of media platforms, giving it more access to a larger amount of readers as it can be distributed in many ways to suit their personal needs.